Last week, I covered the 7 things worth asking your customers and why each one matters for the growth of your business. This week, let's get into the harder question. Once a customer tells you something, how do you use it in a way that makes them feel known instead of watched? Collecting information and using it correctly are 2 completely different skills. What happens is most retailers either use too much information or none of it, and this means they're guessing. So the goal is to find that middle ground, making customers feel like you're paying attention, but that they're not feeling like they're being tracked. So here are 4 principles that determine which side of that line you're going to land on. 1, relevance. Does this outreach actually connect to something the customer told you? 2 is timing. Is this the right moment or just when it was convenient for you to send that message? 3, restraint. Are you using what matters for that person right now, not everything you know? 4 is transparency. Do your customers actually know how you're using what they share with you? The retailers who build the strongest customer relationships are not the ones who know everything. They're the ones who use what they know thoughtfully. Check out my full article that digs into this in way more detail and run through these 4 questions before every outreach. I promise your customers will feel the difference.